Okay, so the next question, as promised, is again related to themes and templates. I've covered this a number of times. I'm going to cover it again today, hopefully for the last time. Not because the question is bad, it's a great one, but it just gets a little bit, sort of redundant to cover the same territory so often. But nonetheless, here we go. All right, so what I recommend, and again, these are all subjective opinions, but this is mine. So if you want to launch a simple, profitable, elegant, expeditious, and you know, like really viable business on card where you're not actually chasing clients and really doing a lot of heavy lifting, you need three templates, right? Three offers that are template driven. I'm going to show you how I think about this, and then you can make up your own, mind about your own process. But here's one of them for us, something like this. Certainly doesn't have to be this particular theme, but a landing page that is an analog or alternative to something like a link in bio, a link tree, a about me, profile .me, that sort of page, right? Ostensibly, you want to have each of these themes have a built-in back-end offer. So let's see if I can find another copy of that can show you what that offer would be like. So in this case, something like a review or testimonial driven landing page. So it's the same landing page, but this actually has a really nice back-end offer built in, which is incorporating this theoretical, hypothetical, fictitious person's reviews directly on the page. That's a high-end offer that is super valuable to someone who's in the mental health, the therapeutic, counselor, social work, psychologist, psychiatrist, etc. It works for every single niche under the sun, right? So if you want to build this for a plumber, it's the same thing. If you want to build this for a sushi restaurant, it's the same thing. A landing page that features all of their best reviews that you can give them to post on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or whatever. All right. The second, and again, the salient piece of this process is you want this offer, this landing page that you're building, the 3 pages that I recommend. Each should have a built-in back-end offer. Let's see if I can find another example here. So this is, as you can see, we have a bunch of copies of this, but this is a simple landing page that has another built-in back-end offer, which is email marketing, right? So it's a very, very simple page. You can give it away. It looks great. You can sell it. It doesn't matter. The important part of this process is that you can incorporate a service that is supported by the template, right? So, set up your clients with a landing page that is ostensibly going to get really high opt-in, percentages. So something like this, empirically, I mean, just the industry will tell you that people opt into these sorts of pages, when there's nothing else to do on the page other than sign up for the form or bounce or leave, right? So you can incorporate any of your clients' email services that they use. One, obviously, not many, just the one. So if it's ActiveCampaign, if it's ConvertKit, if it's Mailchimp, which is the most common, ConvertKit's more common in the online marketing space, but less common in brick and mortar businesses in a local community. But Mailchimp's quite popular in every entrepreneurial environment. All you're really doing is you're adding in their API key, the audience ID here, the redirect post sign up, and you've built something that you can give your client that even if you just gave this away, you're delivering huge value. It takes 10 minutes to do, and you can offer a email marketing service to those clients, again, built in to the template itself, right? You're actually giving them something that they can't really do anything with unless they know how to actually use Mailchimp or, any of these other services to send an email newsletter, to send an email automation campaign, to send deals and coupons and all that stuff. So it's a great back end offer. All right, so let's get out of this, and we'll go back into our dashboard. And I don't want to make any changes to that. Hopefully I didn't do anything to screw that up. And then the third template for us is going to be a little different than probably for you, but it's something like this, which for me is a template that is review centric, right? So this is a great way of making passive income, creating these landing pages for reviews, right? So in this case, Circle, which is a community building software as a service that I've used, for a couple of years, and not currently using it. We're actually using a different platform, but lots of my clients have used Circle and still use Circle and really love it. And more importantly, as an affiliate, this is a great way of earning passive income, selling, or promoting a landing page for Circle. So if you click on this here, you'll see it should link to my affiliate commission, my affiliate landing page, as it does. You can see that here. And what we've done is just, replicate this page a number of times for different affiliate offers, right? So, this one here is talent cards. It's the same template. You can see it's the same everything other than the program is different, right? The landing pages is different, or the affiliate landing page is different. So you can see here, this goes to a different, it doesn't go to Circle now, it goes to talent cards. But if people sign up for talent cards by dint of my card landing page, they get, or I get a, commission predicated on, the plan they choose. All right. So that's the third one. You can see we have a bunch of these as well, just different variations of that. And that's what I recommend. You could also do something like this as your third landing page, which is a simple contact form that is really easy to do. That also, similar to the opt-in page, is a phenomenal offer for a professional in the world who can have a landing page that, again, folks can just contact them, filling out the form here. And, for a professional, a psychiatrist, a therapist, a plumber, a financial advisor, a life coach, a whatever it may be in the world, you could create this literally in 3 minutes. The length of time this has taken me to record this video, I could have done 2 of these already. And, essentially you can then use that to sell a back-end service, which is a consulting offer, a coaching thing, whatever it is, social media marketing, etc. Ostensibly, again, these landing pages are really good for social media, where folks can use something like this as an alternative or an analog to Linktree, link in bio, those sorts of about me sorts of landing pages. Okie doke. So hopefully that makes some sense. And as always, if you have questions, feel free to ask. I probably won't cover this particular, content again, because I've done this so many times already, because the question comes up so often. So in the future, if you're in our course community, I may just recommend that you check, these videos out rather than record another one, on the same topic. Okay. Thank you again so much for watching. Teach what you know, do what you love. Wake up the world with your work. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching. And if you have questions, as always, feel free to submit them. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll probably post this there as well. Ask a question in the community comments. And if I can, I'll answer it. You can also join our card course. And if you have questions, obviously there, I'll answer them all. Thanks so much. Have a great day. And once again, I appreciate you watching.